This is a LibriVox recording. All LibriVox recordings are in the public domain. To find out more information, or to volunteer, please visit LibriVox.org. When I Buy Pictures by Marianne Moore, from a collection of poetry entitled Poems. When I buy pictures, or what is closer to the truth, when I look at that of which I may regard myself as the imaginary possessor, I fix upon that which would give me pleasure in my average moments. The satire upon curiosity, in which no more is discernible than the intensity of the mood. Or quite the opposite, the old thing, the medieval decorated hat-box, in which there are hounds with waists diminishing like the waist of the hourglass, and deer, both white and brown, and birds and seated people. It may be no more than a square of parquetry. The literal biography, perhaps, in letters standing well apart upon a parchment-like expanse. Or that which is better without words, which means just as much or just as little as it is understood to mean by the observer. The grave of Adam, prefigured by himself, a bed of beans or artichokes in 6 varieties of blue, the snipe-legged hierro, glyphic in 3 parts. It may be amazing. Too stern an intellectual emphasis, ironic or other, upon this quality or that, detracts from one's enjoyment. It must not wish to disarm anything, nor may the approved triumph easily be honored. That which is great, because something else is small. It comes to this, of whatever sort it is, it must make known the fact that it has been displayed to acknowledge the spiritual forces which have made it. And it must admit that it is the work of X, if X produced it, of Y, if made by Y. It must be a voluntary gift with the name written on it. End of recording.